what if I told you that chocolate could make you smarter, slimmer, and even lower your stress in minutes? In this video, I will share 5 crazy facts about chocolates that will make you fall in love with chocolate. Fact 1. Are you feeling stressed? Now, you have the solution. A Swiss study found that just 40 grams of dark chocolate, 70%, can destroy cortisol, the stress hormone, by 25% in 30 minutes. Fact 2. Are you trying to lose weight? Well, now you have a hack. A 2024 Harvard study showed that eating dark chocolate 30 minutes before meals cuts cravings by 30%. The bitterness of dark chocolate signals your brain to avoid overeating and ultimately makes you slimmer. Fact 3. Are you struggling with boosting your memory? Eat chocolate. Yes, a recent Harvard study discovered that eating dark chocolate improves memory, focus, and mood. Fact 4. You must have played different games, but what if I tell you that every year, in Sweden, a chocolate wrestling championship is held? Contestants wrestle in pits of chocolate syrup, and the winner gets a golden cocoa pod trophy. Fact 5. In the Philippines, there are 1,268 mysterious brown hills that look like giant chocolate kisses. But don't take a bite of them, they are just grass that turns brown in the dry season. So, which fact shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my channel.